All right, so finally got somewhat of a nice day. It's not smoky from all the fires that are up north a little bit. You got an airplane over me. Thank you. So today I'm just exploring. We have that Browns Valley open space that you guys saw me ride and where I crashed at that little hip jump. I've always entered from the back side. Today I want to try to find the front side of it. I want to try to find the front side and see if they have a climbing trail to the top. And if you hear my brakes kind of cring, I put new pads on from a company called Hard-Headed Ram, and I tried to align them like 5 times, and they still kind of will rub here and there, only when I'm in a sharp, like turning sharply. So I'm hoping once they bed in, that sound will go away. So we'll see. All right, let's see if I can find the actual entrance to this place. All right, so I think this is my left here from what I saw on Google Maps. If we take this up all the way to, I don't know what the other street is. I think it's the last one. Make a right. I think it's called Rentham. It should lead us down where the Google Maps red dot was. So, still not that bad of a ride. It's only like 1.5 miles or so. 2 miles from my back door. So, let's see if we can find it. All right. I don't know what you guys can see on this camera, but you can kind of see some of the single track that comes down right there. And I think our main gate's right over here. This place isn't on Trail Forks. I don't really have a trail map. So we're just gonna see if there's an easy place to climb, hike in my case, and get to the top, and we'll just pick a route and head down and see what it's like. Here we go. Oh wait, yep, I did find it. Wait, yeah, it does. It even says trailhead. Car. There you go. Trailhead. Entry exit point. There we go. So we got to cross this little water ditch and see where we go from there. Sweet. So yeah, it doesn't look like there's an easy route to the top per se, but I'm gonna take this one right in front of me. I know it leads me all the way back out that way. So we'll just start hiking this, and it should loop us around and go from there. And I know you guys don't want to hear me breathe my way to the top, so let me shut this off and I'll see you in a minute. Whew. All right, so I'm still not at the top, nowhere even close. I don't even know where I'm at right now. I just turned the camera on, show you guys that to show you this. You can tell people are out here building. I don't know who it is, but they got this cool little trail split. And on the other side, I found jumps and, you know, fresh dirt that was moved. So if anyone actually watches this and knows about this place and knows who's working out here, leave it in the comments so I can try to find out who it is and maybe help them out if they need it. Oh, there's some hikers up there. I'm not all alone. All right. Whew, so I'm still not at the top. The hike is definitely longer than I thought. It's really windy. I don't know how well this audio is gonna come out. But if anybody watched the video where I crashed on that little hip jump, that's down there in that patch of trees across this valley there. I gotta keep going up. And again, I have no idea where I'm going. I don't know any of these trails, so everything's as new to me as it is to the 1 or 2 people that might watch this. So, oh, that's kind of cool. All little wood stacks and a big broken tree everywhere. Kind of cool. cool. Oh, here's the swing. All right, but we're getting there. Whew. All right, so this is the highest point. This is the top. Again, it's really windy, so I don't know how much this audio is gonna come out. But I don't know if you can see it, but I'm gonna try to take that little single track there, and we'll see where it takes me. All right, I'm gonna take a break, get some water, I'll get going down. All right, I just did a hike down the other side to see where that other little trail went, and it's super steep. So maybe that's the one we'll try on the next one, once we kind of get our bearings around this place. But I think this little guy will link us up over to the one on the other side. So let's give her a shot. Ooh, sharp rocks. Lots of sharp rocks. Yeah. There we go. Flat turn. Woo. Woo. All right. Here we go. Off camber a bit. All right. Woo! Slow down. Woo! That was a nice little run. We'll go this way. No, I don't even know where that goes. All right, yeah, let's just go this way. That one was fun. That was a cool little shoot. Stay on the trail, Jimmy. All right, let's see where this takes us. All right. That just kind of looks like it loops that way. Looks like someone kind of went down this way. Let's see. This looks a little less ridden. Let's go this way. Oh, geez. Sharp rocks again. Whoa. Oh, it's just a shortcut into this thing. Don't mess this up. Oh, there you go. What is that noise? What do we get? Thought I had a flat for a second. All right, keep going. This place would be cool once I know the trails. Flat turn. Ramp. Whoa, what is this? Ooh. That's cool. It's skinny. Sharp rocks. Little berm. Whoa. That's cool. What was this thing? Take it. Oh, another little humper. And another. Oh, and another one. Oh, wow. Look at this little thing. Wow. See, this dirt's fresh. Look at this. Oh, I did not have the speed come around that corner. There's another one right there. And then that little road gap thing up there. That's cool. All right, well, let's just turn around. I'm not hiking all the way up to hit that thing again. That's cool. I wonder why this place isn't on trail forks. Oh, man. You can also come through, use that as a berm. They stiffen it up. Got a little tail top. And then you got this one right here. Oh, that lip needs a little work. Jeez, it's pretty cool though. But this is the bottom already. Not bad. I like it. I don't know, can I hit that thing? There's like a non-existent lip to it. I ain't even gonna try it on my own today. I'm gonna be a pansy and skip it. Don't hate. Pretty cool though. Got these little dumper jumps right here too. It looks like it leads you into that, but there's like no landing to it. It's pretty cool. Need to find the correct route down this thing to where you can link everything together. That'd be pretty cool. Excuse me. That little run wore me out. Ugh. Off camera. Okay. Whoop. There went the derailleur. Nice. Fuck. Well, I'm walking home. Yep. Definitely walking home. Walk of shame. I guess. I don't know, I don't even think I hit it either. Walk of shame. Here we go. At least it's only about a mile or so from here. All right, go home, order a new derailleur, and we'll come try the stuff again. All right, later. All right, well, this is gonna be a horrible walk if I don't take this off. And I don't have a chain breaker. So, I remember on Seth's bike hacks one time I watched a video. I think it was Seth bike hacks. He used his shoelace, so we're gonna give that a shot real quick once I get my shoelace out, and we'll see if this actually works. I'll get the chain off and shove this stuff in my backpack. That way I can at least scooter it back, because I don't feel like walking the whole darn way. If I could at least take that off. So let's give this a shot. Let's find my quick link. Here she goes. I don't know what you guys can see either, sorry. How did they do this? Something like, I'm gonna have to look this up. Oh, heck no. How the heck? I'm gonna get a shoelace through these 12-speed chains. Probably wasn't 12 speed when they made that video. Okay. I think I go that way. I gotta do this one. Flatten it out a little bit. My crooked ass teeth. Let's see if this works. You go like that. I think you gotta get it lined up on there or something. I think you're tripping. Let's try that one more again. Alright. Let's see. About this. Well, it worked. All right, good job. Thanks, Seth Bike Hacks. Get all this crap out of here. Gotta take the cable off. we'll figure that out. It actually worked. Cool. Good thing I have extra quick links. Maybe I'll need to order an extra one now. All right. Put my shoelace back in. We'll scooter this thing home. All right, that worked. Good thing I always keep one of these Velcro straps to hold my stuff too, because it's gonna hold that in place while I push this bad boy home like Lupe Fiasco out here. Nice. It's gonna take a while.